Hello, our dear listeners. This is Alpha TV in Rwanda. We are most welcome to you to come to our this TV. Now, let us go in our international scene as new information to you and to inform you how the outside of this country their feelings now about for something. So we are going to be with the MU Insurance. We are going to be with the Lily's shop and the Estate Kigali, and again the artist, the best artist called the Musabyimana Donati. Lily's shop, iduka ry'icyerekezo ku bakene ibyo kurya by'amoko yose turaranguza tukanacuruza detaye, tubafitiye ibyo kurya by'amoko yose, umuceri mwiza uyu wahogoje abawuguriye iwacu, isukari nziza, ifu ya kawunga yayindi iryohera uwayikoresheje, tubafitiye ubugari mwakunze bwo ku buhanda ahazwi nk'igitwe, amakaro natubuka, amavuta aryohesha indyo, sauce tomate ya salisa n'ibindi mwakenera hano iwacu. Umwihariko wacu kandi nuko tubafitiye amafu y'ubwoko bwose ndetse n'amafu avangiye hamwe kandi atunganyije neza, tubafitiye ibyo kunywa, amata meza ndetse n'amazi by'uruganda rw'Inyange, urahasanga ibikoresho by'isuku, Kotex ku badamu n'abakobwa, Pampers ku bana, papier hygienique ndetse n'ibindi bikoresho by'isuku utasanga ahandi. Dukorera mu isantere ya Ruyenzi ku cyapa cya mbere cya taxi z'imodoka z'igihara ku nyubako nshihari. Iwacu hariranga, duhamagare kuri telefoni igendanwa 0788 48 cyangwa se uduhamagare kuri 0730 tubikugezeho mu kanya nk'ako guhumbya. Lily's shop, ibiciro byacu binogeye abatugana bose. We begin here. Rwanda. The Rwandan MPs ask DRC to dissolve FDLR address historical grievance. The presence in eastern DR Congo of the FDLR UN sanctioned the group linked to the 1994 genocide against the Tutsi in Rwanda, and resolved the historical grievance and blaming Rwanda for the M23 rebellion have led to the diplomatic rift between the two countries, according to the Rwandan parliament. This was said on Wednesday, June 5th, as an ad hoc House committee is set up to investigate the role of colonial legacy in conflict in the Great Lakes region and its impact on DR Congo and Rwanda. Tensions presented its findings to a plenary session. According to the report presented by the committee deputy chairperson by Member of Parliament Alice Muzana, the Congolese government has ignored the grievance about the unresolved citizenship of Kinyarwanda speaking communities and the resulting section of the Tutsi in the east of country, which led to influx of refugees in the region. Currently, Rwanda hosts more than 100,000 Congolese citizens, some of whom have lived in camps from nearly 3 decades. MP Muzana said that in 1994, the Congolese government received the armed members of the former Rwandan army ex-FARI and the Interahamwe militia who had committed the genocide against the Tutsi in Rwanda and allowed them to operate and mobilize near the Rwandan border contrary to international conventions on refugees. The FDLR is the party of a coalition led by the Congolese army FARDC, which is fighting the M23 rebels in North Kivu province. In a recent report, UN groups of experts on DR Congo said the Congolese army continues to provide the ammunition to the FDLR and uses the group as a proxy. The ad hoc committee found that the Congolese government continues to blame Rwanda for its insecurity, uses FDLR and the genocidal groups as well as troops from Burundi and other countries to drive its proclaimed regime change in Rwanda. Muzana said that. In Uganda, how Bugweli parents normalized the filement ignore justice when her 14-year-old daughter got pregnant in 2021 before sitting for her primary leaving examinations, PLOE. Mrs. Sarah Kagoya, not Leonemu, said she had nothing to do because the trend is not unusual in her sub-county. The resident of Buoya village, Buyanga sub-county, says she has 7 children. She's a sole breadwinner in her family because the relationship with the father of her children failed. He wanted over 15 children and above at the end. Mrs. Loda Namuwaya, another resident, says her 15-year-old daughter refused to complete primary education and eloped with the man in the village. The chairperson of local council chairpersons in Bugweli district, Mr. Yusuf Sonko, says most parents in Buyanga sub-county are ignoring seeking justice for their defiled girls after reportedly trying and failing. A trend, he says, has left many of them resigned to fate and being in comfort zones. Meanwhile, in Abidi to Kabu, defilement in Busoga sub-region, the government has come up with the training centers to skill young girls and women in different sectors, and the GLO and the GLOW, a World Bank founded the program. Mrs. Diana Natulinda, a communication specialist in the program, say GLOW seeks to increase women's access to entrepreneurial services. Head of Human Resource at Uganda Industrial Training Institute, Mrs. Newembe Nabudele, said over 530 women have been trained, while 76 women have graduated in entrepreneurship. Bugweli District Woman Member of Parliament, Mrs. Lecho Magola, says the GLOW program has developed and should have a permanent home, adding that they cannot develop while still renting.
Muraho, nitwa Nigena Josiane, nkaba nkorera company yitwa MU Insurance ishami rya Nyabugogo. Product dutanga harimo motor insurance, harimo fire insurance, general accident insurance, engineering insurance, Bama bonds, marine insurance, money insurance, travel insurance, aviation insurance n'izindi. Twabashishikarizaga rero kutugana, dutanga service nziza. Tukaba twari mu kimbere ya Beka mu etaje y'uwitwa Jacobo, etaje ifatanye na station SP. Ikaze rero ni karibu. MU Insurance ni ya kera, imaze igihe iri gukora cyane kuko yahinduye izina. Mbere yitwaga Phoenix Insurance, ubu ngubu yitwa MUI Insurance. Ikaze bakiriya beza murakoze.
In Kenya, a top spy is deaf for his mysterious ways and one last strange change of routine. A senior intelligence officer who police claimed died by suicide on Tuesday was planning to expand his popular restaurant in Kisumu, according to staff who described him as generous but secretive. Tom Mboya Adala, an assistant director at the National Intelligence Services NIS headquarters in Ruaraka, Nairobi, was the proprietor of Europe Choma Zone, the name Europe, a corruption of Europe. According to his employees, he regularly visited the restaurant every weekend, but curiously, in the last 2 months, he hadn't. But he had informed his workers that he would check in this weekend because he was working to expand his thriving business. Whenever he was at the restaurant, staff told the Nation Africa on Wednesday he was generous to clients and freely mingled with the crowd, an attribute which ensured he never had a particular sitting place. For relatives, friends, and again staff, Adala was jovial whenever he was at the restaurant and never portrayed his suffering. It was therefore shocking for them that depression had driven him to suicide. A son of the late Adala Otuko, the first Kenyan ambassador to Russia, and Kelly, chairman of the Luo Council of Elders, police said he shot himself in the head in his house in Nairobi and left a suicide note explaining his tragic actions. When the National African visited Europe Choma Zone on Wednesday, a day after news of his death became public, it was a beehive of activity as usual, as customers served their delicacy nyama choma. Outside, Kawoshi operators were scrambling for customers. The business, as usual, moderately giving away the grief following the death of its proprietor. In between the short breaks at the busy restaurant on Nyerere Road near the Vundu Bar in Kisumu, some staff managed to squeeze time to pay tribute to an employer they held dear. He offered them a source of income and treated them with the utmost respect. According to Oduo, a tourism and hospitality graduate employed at the hotel 3 months after he graduated last year from Maseno University, his boss was to visit the restaurant this weekend for a trip that never was. Jackie Laliki, a chief, knew him way before he set up the hotel in Kisumu on October 22nd to 2023. Laliki worked at Adala's backyard joint in Nairobi's Kilimani before it closed its doors. He was the only chief who prepared special meals for him. According to Battling Depression, it was strange that he used to visit every weekend from Nairobi, but this time around it took more than 2 months before he came back. According to the policy, Adala has been battling depression for some time, but for the staff at this restaurant, his demeanor did not portray one who was suffering. They described Adala as jovial but very secretive, perhaps because of the nature of his job and therefore did not share much with his subordinates. In Tanzania, let us continue. Horrific traffic accident kills 13 people, injures 18 people more in Tanzania's Mbeya region. 13 individuals lost their lives instantly, while 18 sustained injuries, necessitating their transfer to Mbeya Regional Hospital for urgent medical attention. Among the injured, 8 were reported to be in critical condition. Mwasa, speaking to the citizen, described the harrowing moment of impact, expressing gratitude for his survival amidst several injuries. He acknowledged the swift assistance provided by standards, which likely saved lives. Police Commander Saspi Benjamin Kuzaga confirmed the grim toll, detailing the sequence of events and attributing their cause to the truck driver's inability to control the vehicle after brake failure. The driver is under police custody pending further investigation. A Scania truck with the registration number T979 CVV and its trailer T758 BFU coming from Mbeya to Nduma lost control and hit a Toyota small car Harrier with the registration number T120 DEL before hitting the Acosta with the registration number T167 DLF coming from Tunduma with the passengers, resulting in 13 deaths and 18 injuries. Equally being investigated is the drivers of the three-wheeler and the motorcycle. Efforts are underway to monitor the condition of the injured while educating drivers on road safety, particularly in hazardous area like Mount Shamwengo. Witness offered a varying perspective, citing road narrowness and inadequate lighting as contributing factors. Calls were made for improved road infrastructure and lighting to mitigate future accidents. Emergency response teams, including firefighters and medical personnel, played pivotal roles in rescue operations and providing immediate medical care to the injured. Dr. Prosper Bashaka, overseeing medical interventions at the hospital, provided the insight into the casualties, emphasizing ongoing efforts to save lives and support recovery. Our dear listeners, let us stop here our international scene, and just now we are most thanking you, but for how you have been with us in this our news. Let us thank our companies has been in our this news. I think at next we shall be continue. God be with you. Thank you. Yes, tubaha ikaze kuri Alpha TV Rwanda. Turabana n'abafatanyabikorwa batandukanye barimo MUA Insurance, ishami rya Nyabugogo, akaba rero batanga ubwishingizi bwose ku binyabiziga. Ibaherereye Nyabugogo imbere ya banki ya Kigali, bakaba rero wabahamagara kuri telefone ngendanwa hariyo 0780453308 cyangwa se 0782167063. Turaza kubana kandi na Lily's Shop, ni iduka ricuruza ibiribwa, bakaba bacuruza detaye bakanaranguza ku giciro kinogeye buri wese. Baherereye mu murenge wa Runda ku Ruyenzi mu isantere. Bahamagare kuri telefone ngendanwa 078848 87 13 cyangwa se 07 30 94 38 94. Turaza kandi kuba turi kumwe n'umuhanzi Musabyimana Donati, ni nayo mazina asanzwe akoresha kuri YouTube channel ye. Urasanga indirimbo zinyuranye, indirimbo zinyura imitima zikanaruhura intekerezo zinaniwe. Ibuka gukora subscribe, koresha ya ndetse na comment. Ni ingenzi kuri we, cyangwa se umuhamagara kuri 0788 41 0981. Turabana kandi na Stay Kigali, n'inzu y'amacumbi nziza cyane, guest house y'icyerekezo, ifite ibyumba byiza naho kuruhukira heza, naho wicara witegeye ubwiza nyaburanga bwa Nyarugenge ndetse na Gasabo. Baherereye ku Kinamba muri Rompuwe kuri Zebra Crossing, mu kuboko kw'iburyo uvuye ku kiraro kiva mu mujyi, ni haruguru y'umuhanda kuri clôture y'amatafari ya Ruriba. Urahabona icyapa cya Stay Kigali. Bahamagaza 0792 41 19 cyangwa se 07 22 42 13. Nawe watugana tukakwamamariza kuri Alpha TVN Rwanda. Waduhamagara kuri 0788 95 78 39, kuko turi umunara w'ibisubizo ku bashoramari bose batugannye.